everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ceeceemua and I'll be talking about the new Shook palette from Makeup Revolution. Here it is. Yeah, it looks lovely. Oh wait, it's this way. I just got this over the weekend and let's just say I am shook. I will be inserting swatches on my hands, well, in pictures anyway. So I'm gonna be doing these swatches without primer or anything, so I'll be inserting it. I'm not gonna be doing it in the video, so I'll insert it. And also it came with a highlighter. This is it, although this one is broken. Well, it came broken and I fixed it. So because when it came, I'm gonna insert the picture when it came as well, it was all messed up and the whole thing was all mixed up. So this shade here, here and here are not the true shades, whereas this one here, here and here are the true shade that came with the palette. But it looks lovely. I'm also gonna be trying this out in this video. I put up a poll on my Instagram. I'm gonna put up a picture as well, and I wanted to test out these powders. They are like a MAC Dew, their skin finish, or the, what's the other one, the Studio Fix. So I wanted to test out these. So this is what it looks like. Let me take out this one. I got the shade F13 and the F15. I wanted to use the F15 as a bronzer and F13 as a face powder. So this is that one. This is, oh, here it is. Okay, I'm not very good at this. This is how it came. To be honest, the shade is a bit confusing, but we'll see when we test it out. So that's that one. And this is the, F15. So this is the F15. It came with this little puffy thing that nobody uses. This is the makeup. Okay, yeah. This is the Fall Frenzy. I don't know if I should do a separate video for this one, but we'll see as the video goes on. Let's get into the video and I'll be back. Oh, I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll be back. I'll be using this one here. Ooh, well, I'm shook. I just wanted to use that as a transition shade. That looks nice. I might be going into this shade here, either this or this. Alright, I'm gonna go into this brown shade here, this one here. It's called Snap. I'm sorry, all these shades in the palette actually do have names. I started with Sidetracked, I went into Date, and now I'm going into Snap. I'm gonna bring this. Are you kidding me? Oh wow. Okay, I've cut my crease. So I'm adding the shade Snap to either side of my eyes. I'm gonna be taking the shade Adored. Here it is. I think the shade here, Adored. It's like a foil-like shade, and I'll add it to the top. I'm gonna be taking the shade Leafy Out, I think. I'm gonna go into this shade, this palette. I'm gonna take the gold shade in here. I'm gonna take this shade here. Okay everyone, I'm back. I've done my foundation and, well, to the part we have all been waiting for. This is the Revolution Pro powders, right? And look at the shade. And this is the This is the F13 in the matte and the matte base one. It's very similar though. It's quite similar. But I swatched this, right? And okay, yes, it's a powder foundation, right? But it was so pigmented and it was so dark. So I don't know what it's gonna look like on my face. Maybe it's not gonna be that bad. I wanna use it as an all over face powder. So I'm so scared. All over face powder? I think not. This is more like a bronzer to me. Use this. I'm using this one. Okay, this is not as bad as this one. The F13 in that one's not as bad as this one, as a bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna try and use this as a face powder. Please. I am so scared because how pigmented it is. I don't want to spoil my whole face makeup. It's made my makeup a bit patchy. Now I'm going to use the F15 as a bronzer. This says that it's a red undertone. By the way, the F13 was a neutral undertone, but this is a red undertone, so I'm guessing. It's very pigmented and very powdery. I know it's supposed to be like a foundation, but still. It's too dark. Maybe a contour? To be honest, it's not a testament to the powder. It's way too dark and I don't actually think it gives coverage. Because I can still see some of my blemishes. As in, don't get me wrong, I'm trying my best to blend it out, but still. Maybe it's pigmented but it's not giving coverage. Does that make sense? Okay, let me go into the Shook highlighter. Oh, I'm shook it. Are you guys seeing this? Okay, I'm back. Let me go from my favorite to the least favorite. First of all, this is beautiful and it performed really well. Take a look at the eye look. Yeah, it looks that good. It looked that good. The highlight, mind you, yeah, this is broken and I had to fix it. So I might insert a picture of the like when it comes around, because they said they were gonna replace it for me. So maybe when that comes, I will insert a picture on my Instagram. But for now, this is what I've got, and I would say I would 100% recommend it. Anybody that literally gets their hands on this for £8 is totally worth it. It's really worth it, because there's literally something for everybody, no matter what your shade is. Are you seeing that? So that's this one. The foil, I'm gonna do a separate video on this, but I used it as a liner on the top of my cut crease. I really like that. So the powder literally messed up everything, because I was thinking, oh, I could use it as a face powder. It was very patchy. It was really patchy. To be honest, yeah, compared, I have the, oh damn it, I have the matte mineralized skin finish. It looks literally exactly like this, but it's a lot more sturdy. This is like cheap container. As in, don't get me wrong, I love Revolution and that, but this is flimsy. Literally, it's very flimsy. Like, okay, you know what? For the price, it's not bad. For the price, it was £5. So for the price, it's not bad. I'll pass. I wouldn't pass unless you want to use it as a bronzer, and I would say you should go so many shades lighter, but I would pass on it, as in, so I wouldn't recommend that at all. Anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. And remember, keep living and keep doing you.